so nice.
Can I get maybe a mushroom burger? Oh wait, I have a mushroom here.
Boy, no sleeping on the job, newbie. Running a register is all about respect. How can you steal, take all that money, if you don't give the customer lots of respect? Now I am just gonna stand here and keep talking random stuff.
Huh?
Dios mío, es el diablo.
Come on, Mario, hurry up and eat so we can get back on the road.
Go. Okay, Karen, this is your biggest challenge yet. This will be the most taxing, the most back-breaking, the most relentless task you've ever encountered. You'll never see the light of day again after.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Ow! I said no ice cream, Mario. Sorry, can we get a Happy Meal, please?
Oh no!
You placed too many fries. We only allow 170 fries per serving.
Oh, stop it, I told you. If you eat ice cream, you're gonna get it all over yourself and then all over my RV.
SMG4.
I said no.
Fine.
Tutto lavato. Ma pippa da tutto lavato, tutto.
Okay.
I can smell you.
Come on, Swag. Give me a chance to do this job properly, will ya?
Okay, but if you screw up, then you're working overtime for 10 hours.
Whatever.
How will she know which button to press? She didn't even ask them what drink they wanted. Too bad she doesn't want my help, because I, Swag the McDonald's store middle manager, know that Mario would want the Coke. Yes, she's going for a button anyway. How will she know? Will she choose the right one? You chose the wrong drink. If you had only let me help you. Now you must pay the consequences then.
Yo, you guys cool with Sprite?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my god!
Coffee shop called Poopies on the strip.
Dead!
Bombastic side eye. What? Criminal offensive side eye.
Here you go. That'll be $7.99.
Another happy customer served. Good job, my little friend.
Don't you dare pat me, you...
Chocolate!
Mario, you stupid idiot.
Hey, Stinky!
I win!
My beautiful baby.
Look how they massacred my boy.
Ooh. Mario, I think it's time we got out of here. What?
There won't be any ice cream. The machine is broken.
Wait, stop that! What, Mario? You caused this!
Get that mother.
Okay, this does not look good here.
It's over. What's the point?
Swag, get your crap together! Fix that machine! I'll take care of the customers!
Newbie. I taught her everything she knows. Now I've got to show her what I can do as a McDonald's middle manager.
You're cringe!
Apprentice. No, I must stay committed to him.
Mamma mia! No!
This is so nice.
Hey, where'd everybody go?
Newbie.
Money, money, money! Clean up on aisle... everywhere.
My ass.
Hello!
Soldier, you did good today, and for that, I bestow the highest honor I can.
A raise?
No, free ice cream.
Can I have it?